Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm out here at the park. I'm at the location where I usually do FPV with the fellas at. Here on my lonesome. But today I brought out my Mobula 6 HDZero. And I brought it out to show you guys that I have modified it. I did a little mini chop shop on it. This is now a 75mm woot now. I was able to successfully move all of the parts from the Mobula 6 over to this larger frame. And I didn't even have to do any desoldering. As you guys can see, the motors on this guy are soldered in position. I guess they did that to save weight. I saw a few videos of people swapping these things to larger frames, and they were complaining about the motors being soldered on. People are desoldering these motors and getting them on different frames, but I was able to successfully move it to this frame without desoldering the motors by just removing the props and then forcing the motors through the middle of the frame. I was able to squeeze them through there, and the motor wires just barely made it. So they just barely reach over to the spots where they're supposed to be mounted. And so this guy was a success. I have been flying it. I love it even more now that I have it on this larger frame, because I get a longer flight time and it's more power and all. And so I just brought it out here to show you guys what it flies like. And I also made a few changes to the antennas on this HDZero Transporter 2 goggle from Emax, the Transporter 2 HD. And so I have a mushroom now and a triple patch antenna, and it has been working wonders. Even though the reception wasn't that bad with the stock antennas. But let's get this guy up in the air and check it out. So let's see. Pick a battery. I got a few batteries here to fly with. I'm not going to fly with the largest pack, which is an 850 that I have. I'm going to try a 520 that I have. It is recording from the start. It auto records. Some flying through the trees. And you can't hear the quad because I'm kind of far away from myself. I'm all the way on the other side of the field. Oh, I don't know what just happened. I think I might have fell safe. It just went down on me. Let's see, should I try to flip it? Yeah, it fell safe. So let's go get it. Let's see if I can hear it trying to take off or flip over. Nope. Yeah, it's down here somewhere, but it's small. Oh, please watch your step. I don't want you to step on it.
Oh, yeah, you can't. Are you looking for it?
Yeah, I'm looking for it. It's in the grass over here somewhere. It's a small one though. So.
You didn't see where it dropped?
No, because I was all the way over there looking at it on the screen, and it just went down right here somewhere. Still got video feed, so it must be this way, in this direction. Oh, there it is right there. So we're upside down. I don't know what the battery percentage is at. Let's see if we can still take off. We need to find some shade. On a little line of sight with it. Okay, let's do some more line of sight. It says 3.4. Amazing to be able to fly a little tiny whoop with such clarity. Oh, got clipped by some scraggle. Looks like we're still upright though. Oh, these little branches are killing me. These little twigs. Uh-oh. I guess I gotta fly super low out here. These trees are relentless with these little twigs. .2 volts. Okay, I'm pushing it now. Can I get it up to myself? So this thing is an awesome little flyer. Really love it a lot more now that it's larger. Has these I got these Gemfan props on it. I forgot the name of these Gemfans, but they're tri-blades, and I have it on a Beta FPV. I think this is the Pro 2 frame, I want to say. The Pro 2. Oh no, the Pro 2 is a 2S. This is the Pro because it's the 1S frame from Beta FPV. And I also have some Happy Model 0802 19,000 kV still on there. Those are the stock motors actually, so everything is stock except for the frame and the props. Now I guess we can call this thing the Mobula 7 HDZero. Thanks for watching.